So in the UK, cops got a call to do a welfare check on this 57-year-old man. When they got to his apartment, they found him dead and it appeared he was there for a few days. So when they looked around, there was blood spatter throughout the kitchen and the bedroom, but seemingly no signs of a disturbance or a struggle or anything. So as they're going through his house, they're trying to figure out what happened and they stumble upon this pretty common scene, I would say, in the kitchen. He has one of those refrigerators where the freezer is on the bottom. The drawer is fully open, so the freezer at this point is fully thawed out, and they see two uncooked hamburgers, a knife, and a tea towel laying on the counter. So, what do you think happened?
They did an investigation and they thought like, "Hey, he looks like he could have probably been standing up and using this knife trying to separate these frozen burgers and just with enough force that he accidentally stabbed himself in the abdomen." They did say there was blood all over, so I'm assuming that when they did the investigation, they were able to see that there was some kind of wound that was right there at the kitchen where the knife and the burgers were, and then it trailed into the bedroom where he eventually dropped and died in his bed, right? Like, this was some kind of a freak accident, unfortunately.